Okay, I want to raise some issues about what kind of physical study could we do on the will. First of all, we have the fact that the will seems to be, again, illusion or not, related to our, to the brain. So to the biochemistry of the brain. I think we know that. I think we know that it's explained somewhere in the biochemistry of the brain. Now, right there we know that classical physics, that Newtonian dynamics, classical mechanics, whatever you want to call it, won't explain that, because that's why they invented quantum mechanics, to explain chemistry. There were enigmas that couldn't be explained with regular mechanics, old school mechanics. It's not regular anymore. Quantum mechanics is very regular. You see the effects all the time when a light bulb is burning, or all the time. Reflective properties, chemical processes, they're all described by quantum mechanical principles. Okay, the other thing I think that's even more detailed is I think it's good to study anesthesia, right? We don't know why anesthesia works. Anesthesia turns off consciousness. So I think figuring out how anesthesia works will tell us something about consciousness. And now, my pointing out willpower as opposed to free will is also invoking not just a physical metaphor, but I hope a literal type interpretation, where what we call will, free or not, involves power, as in energy being transported around a system. So we can simply study that, right? So when we're studying why anesthesia works, we will be looking at things like, how the power, the energy moves through neural networks and generates this phenomena of will. I think that's a pretty big head start, really, compared to being told that we need to go to metaphysics, which I refuse to do.